Hey guys, new tasks have been added to the OPNET Testnet weekly tasks. Remember, I posted an earlier video to guide you on completing the weekly tasks, but some of these new tasks are not in the video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to complete the new tasks. If you haven't joined the OPNET Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to get started. The first task I'll be showing you how to complete today is this, which involves adding liquidity to the BT1 Moto pool on Motoswap. To complete this task, you will need two tokens, BT1 and Moto. So if you don't have any of them, you can swap PIL for them on Motoswap before adding them to the liquidity pool. So visit Motoswap, connect your wallet, and make sure you are on trade. If you don't know how to do this, check out the earlier video I shared. So the first thing to do is to select your token by clicking the drop-down menu. Here you won't find the BT1 token, so you will need to import it via its contract address. You'll find the contract address in the description. Copy it, click the search bar and paste the contract address. So here you can see BT1, so click on it and now it's selected. So you need to select another token by clicking the drop-down menu. So in this case, I'll be selecting some Moto since I already have Moto in my wallet. So now I have some Moto, but I don't have BT1. So you can get BT1 by swapping some Moto for BT1. Enter the amount of Moto you want to swap. Click swap tokens, and click sign. So now the transaction has been sent. Like I mentioned in my earlier video, it may take several minutes for your swapped token to arrive in your wallet. So be patient. You can also swap PIL for BT1. So whichever token you have, you can swap it for BT1. Once your BT1 tokens have arrived, you can provide liquidity to the BT1 Moto pool on Motoswap. To do that, click pool, click add liquidity, click the drop-down menu, select BT1, click the second drop-down menu, select Moto, enter the amount of the tokens you want to provide as liquidity, click add liquidity, click confirm, and click sign. If you get the second signature request, click sign again, and now our liquidity provision is in process. The next task involves staking Moto on Motoswap. To do that, make sure you're on Motoswap and your OP wallet is connected. Click stake, enter the amount of Moto you want to stake, click stake Moto, and click sign. Now your Moto staking is processing. The other task involves swapping TBTC to Moto on Motoswap. I already showed you how to swap on Motoswap, so use the same process to swap TBTC for Moto. With the same idea, you can also swap PIL to TBTC on Motoswap. So that's how to complete the new tasks on the OPNET Testnet. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You will find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more OPNET Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. So keep completing your weekly OPNET Testnet tasks. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.